Have you ever wondered what the world would look like if robots became our companions, helpers, or even colleagues? As we delve into the future of robotics, this question becomes less of a fantasy and more of a reality. In the first phase of our exploration, we find ourselves in the current state of robotics. Gone are the days when robots were confined to industrial settings, performing monotonous tasks. Today, robots have found their way into our homes, hospitals, and streets. From vacuuming our living rooms to performing intricate surgeries, robots have become an integral part of our society. As we journey further, we stumble upon the essence of modern robotics: artificial intelligence. It's the brain that powers the metal body, enabling robots to learn, process information, and make decisions. With the power of AI, robots are no longer limited to pre-programmed tasks. They can adapt, improvise, and function autonomously, making them invaluable in complex fields like space exploration and disaster management. Our journey into the world of robotics leads us to the realm of automation. It's not just about machines replacing human labor anymore. Automation has become a lifestyle. From smart homes that adjust the temperature based on our preferences to cars that drive themselves, automation is making our lives more comfortable and efficient. However, every coin has two sides, and robotics is no different. While it promises a future of convenience and efficiency, it also brings forth several ethical and social challenges. As robots take on more tasks, what happens to the jobs they replace? How do we ensure our privacy in a world where robots can potentially record everything they see or hear? And more importantly, how do we redefine societal norms and ethics in a world shared with robots? Finally, we gaze into the horizon where the future of robotics unfolds. As scientists and engineers push the boundaries of what's possible, we can expect robots to become even more versatile, intelligent, and integrated into our society. From robots that can mimic human emotions to those that can perform tasks beyond human capabilities, the future of robotics is as exciting as it is unpredictable. So, as we wrap up this exploration, we leave with a better understanding of the world of robotics, its evolution, the role of AI, the impact of automation, the ethical challenges it poses, and the promising future it holds. As we continue to coexist and evolve with robots, one thing is clear. The world of robotics is not just about machines, it's about us, our society, and how we shape our future.